In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com inventory management. Let's start on your Monday.com homepage. From here, open the Workspaces panel on the left. Workspaces are the containers that keep related boards and docs together, so choose the workspace where your team tracks operations or inventory. Next, hover over that workspace and click the small plus icon beside its name. Choose Board, then hover to reveal more options and select the option to start from a template. Templates give you a ready-made structure so you don't have to build every column from scratch. You'll land in the Template Center. Switch to All Templates or browse the General section if you prefer a curated list. The quickest route is to use the search bar and type Inventory Management. When you see the Inventory Management template, open it to preview how it's organized, then click Use Template to add it to your chosen workspace. Your new board will open immediately. This is where you'll edit your inventory management setup to fit your process. Begin by renaming the board so it's clear to your team. Review the default columns, which typically include item details, quantities on hand, reorder points, owners, and statuses. Rename columns to match your terminology, delete what you don't need, and add new columns for things like SKU, supplier, location, or unit cost. You can rearrange columns by dragging them so the most important data appears first. Now populate the board with your items. Each row represents a unique product or material. Enter the current stock level, define a reorder threshold, and assign an owner so it's clear who maintains accuracy. Use the status column to flag items that are in stock, low, or needs reorder. For quick visibility, apply filters to show only low stock items and save that as a view your team can use daily. If you already have a spreadsheet, use the board's import option to bring data in, then spot check a few items to confirm everything mapped correctly. Finally, invite teammates who handle purchasing or fulfillment so updates stay centralized. That's it. You've created an inventory management board from a template, tailored the columns, and entered your items so your team can track stock with confidence.